Hello, my friend. Let's do the 3 breath exercise. It is exactly what it sounds like. It's 3 breaths. And the intention is to come home to yourself, to bring your energy back to yourself, because we tend to scatter it all over the place, to the future, to the past, to other people, other events, our worries. And we forget to come home again, to bring it back home, to restore ourselves. And that is exactly what this exercise will help you do. And as we do so, you just follow the guidance of my voice, with your eyes open or closed, it doesn't matter, and use your imagination to try to pretend that you understand or know what I'm telling you to do. Go with it, flow with it, play with it. Are you ready? Okay. The first breath, breathe in, a deep breath, gently opening and softening your tummy to fill your body. And as you do so, imagine you're pulling in all this energy that you've left out there. You're dragging it in with your breath into your body, gathering yourself again. Hold it a little bit. See if you can feel that you're filling yourself up with your own energy. And as you breathe out, imagine you're sending out everything that is not yours, everything you don't need, everything that's old, out into the air around you. You don't need it anymore. You're letting go. Beautiful. Breathe in again. Imagine pulling in more of that energy, as if you can see that air or that energy being dragged into your body, into the center of your being. Pull it in. Hold it, feel it permeating and spreading out through your entire system, your physical body and your energy field around you, creating a beautiful bubble of support and protection around you. Breathe out as you let all the old energy go and you start sinking down into your hips, relaxing. Breathe in again, the last little particles of that energy that you've left out there. Imagine bringing it into your body through your breath, but also maybe even through your skin, all the way tingling through your entire body. Hold it and see if you can feel yourself coming together, becoming you, becoming present here. And as you breathe out, imagine that you can sink this energy and your awareness and your presence down into your hips and beyond, down into your feet, all the way into the ground, creating a foundation upon which you sit or stand that is based on you, your energy, your strength, your presence. That's it. That's all you need to do. Practice this. See where it takes you. You can do it as often as you like, for as long as you like. I wish you a beautiful day. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how this works for you. I'd love to hear from you. Many blessings.